fucking time it is. It's motherfucking my time, nigga. Hey, no, I was just doing this. He was talking like that. I want to see that. Hey, no, I was just doing this. He was talking like that. Talking like that? Doing what? Drinking fucking liquor and smoking weed, nigga. Trying to fuck some bitches tonight. Party, party, party. Everyone's getting wasted. Got lots of bud, lots of drink, getting bitches getting wasted. Hey. Shake that ass and shake them titties. Man, what's going on? Man, what the fuck did I just say? No more text messages while I'm fucking trying to make a video for the second time today. Matter of fact, fourth time today, nigga. Skip third, and it's the fourth time. Because matter of fact, that's like the 7th or 8th time I got a fucking text message or some shit. Fuck that shit. I'm trying to make a movie here. Come on. What's good? Welcome to the Bryce Camp, you know what I'm saying? Kicking in on another night on the exclusive camera with the exclusive ass nigga. What's good? See you dance without no shirt, without no pants. Pop champagne, bitch. Hey, 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 hey.
Got all the evidence on me.
He's going right back to see this shit, nigga.
Woodrow to the cold, foes up, my nick. Word, word, word. Got this bitch named Tarsha in the car like Kim Kardashian. Get that right. She wanna be a star. Got this bitch named Brittany. Big ass cities, but bitches ain't shit. These bitches ain't Mickey, huh? Got a main bitch, but I need her. Gotta pop a first. My life. Need a bitch that can fuck, cook, clean, right. Hey, you just missed it. We was like a gig it, nigga.
You tryna be my baby? You gonna be my baby, baby. Shorty said she wet. I just get him. We will never show you this video, biatch. We will never show you this video, biatch. We will never show you this video, biatch. Side burn. I can't wait till tomorrow.
Like,
look at that shit. Look at that shit. God damn.
We took a fifth, filled it up with gummy bears, and then let all the gummy bears soak up the alcohol. And then you just take a shot of the gummies, you know what I mean? Because they're all drunk as shit. 1, 2, 3, we're about to be rich. I won't come out. Throw a lot of gummy bears.
Who's in there?
Gummy bears, nigga.
Nigga, there's no I put weed in mine. We're out here. My nigga's about to attempt this shit. You see this mark right here? On the wall? My nigga's about to jump.
Up here, motherfucker.
All the way up there. Off the wall. Look how high that is. And he's gonna dunk that shit in the basket.
Tell him, right?
The target. Whoa!
Hell no! Hell no! Gotta go again, nigga!
Whoa!
He hit this exact same spot. Here, right there. You're not getting up there. Break your back.
push it closer though, nigga. Cause if I get way up here, nigga, fucking motherhood, nigga. Part 3.
You know what the fuck this is. We're out here doing amazing. You know what I'm saying?
Rome wasn't built in a day, so I'm up all night. It's be raining this bitch. Keep the pussy right. How it go rain?
Nah, nigga.
So I'll be up all night?
Yeah. I said Rome wasn't built in a day, so bitch, I'll be up all night.
I didn't know what he said.
I said, yeah, Rome wasn't built in a day, so bitch, I'll be up all night.
Throwing out them dollars, man throwing change. She wanna fly, young and bitch, hop on the plane. You can hop on the team, cause I don't have a main. So I told her we can, presidential campaign. A couple hundred in my pocket, a dub in the swisher. I'm running out of syrup, fill my cup up with that liquor. I'm the shit, I need some tissue. Your bitch probably want miss you. She at all of my shows, so the fuck is not an issue. I need me one from Canada, Africa, and Germany. And when I lay that pipe down, I'm considered Hercules. Get it in the morning, bitch, I am an early freak. She feel it in the stomach like, ooh, boy, you hurting. I like them Asians, Caucasian, that pussy is amazing. Give me here while I'm blazing, then bring me home the bacon. Twist my dreads when you're done with that. That pussy keep me coming back. Niggas in the lead on my team like I'm getting hella high, a nigga burnt out. I tell her come over and we get it on the couch. When we in the bed, we break the headrest. Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death.
Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death. Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death.
When we in the bed, we break the headrest.
Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death.
I'm on my solo, dolo, but hoes want Lonzo. I leave, they follow. Everywhere that I go, it probably was your girl, but I had a hitting high note. Said it probably was your girl, but that really ain't a problem. You boys want a problem? My niggas mathematicians. I was in the game, you hoes was on the bitches. Got a man bitch and a mistress, they both fuck me with vicious. Now I need a couple more bitches to add to my hit list. I wanna, I gotta, numbers I got a lot of. And every time I want some, I hit them like the lotto. My jock is the only thing women always onto. There's fish in the sea, bitch, and I ain't even caught you. What you talking about? It's J.O. baby, I just hop in the whip. And jive hoes crazy, you a customer lady, so fuck you, pay me. And when you done with that, then you go fuck I'm getting hella high, a nigga burnt out. I tell her come over and we get it on the couch. When we in the bed, we break the headrest. Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death.
Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death. Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death.
When we in the bed, we break the headrest.
Scorpio swag, I'ma fuck you to death.
My shit. Straight white reality.